We're learning to play Sunrise on the Matterhorn. So we've got all the way up to bar 17. At bar 17 it says our tempo, and then the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars are the same as the opening. So I'll just play them through. So you've got 1, 10, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and you do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, you'll want to go up here, but actually what's going to happen now, we're at bar 23, it is almost the same, but you're going to come down and play an octave lower, and then it changes. So, going from bar 23, this is what the left hand's going to do. You've got an F major chord, like you had before, but you were up there doing it. So, it's bar 23, you've got this in the left hand, an F major chord, held on the pedal. Then it goes to a G major chord. Remember, play the chord up, down with the pedal. Then you come up and play a B flat major chord. Now you could do it with your little finger, but they're suggesting you do 1, 2, 4, just places you better for the next chord. So B flat chord. So look, B flat chords, everyone forgets them. B flat, D, F. Then a bit of a C chord, just the C and the E. Up, down. Then move that shape all up one onto D and an F, so that's a bit of a D minor. And then you move it up again onto a 1 and a 2, and you hold it. And let's just look at that for now, okay, just those bars there, because we've got something slightly different to do at the end. So I'll just run over that again. So bar 23, F major chord, pedal on, G, up, down, B flat chord but use the fourth finger, up, down. Then a C chord but just the bottom 2 notes, up, down. Then a D minor but just the bottom 2 notes, up, down. Then an E minor chord but just the bottom 2 notes. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Now, the right hand. Right, let's have a little look at this, what we've got here. So, we had an F major chord in the left hand at bar 23. In the right hand, you've got an F and a C. So can you see how that's all related? So that's an F chord, F chord. So you're going to take the bottom note and the top note, but look at the fingering. You're going to go 1 and 4. So I'm going to talk mainly about the right hand now, but I will just pop the left hand under so you can see what's going on. So you start with that, then the tune goes B, A, and you're going to go to a B with a G under it, and look, a G chord to go under it. G major chord, part of a G major chord. Then a G on its own. So I'll show you that again. So look, this is all about F major, F major, G major, then a G on its own. And now we're going to move to a B flat major chord, and the bottom 2 notes of a B flat appear with 2 and 4. So you do that, then the tune carries on, C, B flat, and then you're going to go to a G and a C, and the C and the E. So you know I was saying that's a bit of a C chord. Look what you're doing, you're forming the rest of a C major chord with a C on the top as well. Okay, so there's the B flat one, C major, then just a G. Then going to the next bit, this at the top, we've got B flat and an F, D and an F. So this is a bit different now, but D and an F, and a B flat there, and an F at the top. And then hopefully that should fairly naturally take you on to C and G, and the E and the G there. And then a G on its own and it's held. And then the last line will be very similar to the first line. I'll look at that in a minute, right? So going back to bar 23, this is what we have. Slowing down, chord, up, down, G, and you can take your hand off, that's all left on for the last bit, which I'm going to look at in a moment. So lots of work on that line, make sure you can play the whole of that line, and then on to the next video to sort out the